Hello, my name is Eli Barr. I'm with the University of Maryland, University College. And here's a presentation all about virtual education. So what is a virtual class? Basically, a virtual class is like any other class, but it's done online. So here we see students and teachers interacting with each other or interacting student to student. They communicate and engage with all the learning resources through an online setting. So really, what we see here is that students can participate anywhere in the world that has a stable internet connection. So they can do it at school, at home, at the library, wherever they are. It doesn't really matter as long as they can access the internet. They can have their classrooms. So there are three basic examples of virtual classes: blended classroom, supplemental classes, and eSchool. A blended classroom is also known as a hybrid class. Here, students spend part of their specific class time in a traditional classroom, so at a traditional brick and mortar school, and other parts would be online. So this is where the class is kind of broken up between traditional classes or traditional classroom and online class. Second, we have supplemental classes, and here's where students replace parts of their schedule with online courses. So basically, students might spend their morning in a traditional school and their afternoon can be for their e-classes, or it can be vice versa. It really depends on each student, each individual class. But basically, it allows students to have the traditional experience with some online classes. And finally, we have the e-school, and an e-school is basically where students spend their entire schedule of online classes. So all of their classes are virtual classes. So there are a whole bunch of different types of students who can benefit from virtual schooling, and basically what we see is all different types of students can benefit from this. So first we have students with long-term illnesses, so maybe they can't come to school every day, so they need to be able to still get their education. Students who need complete credit recovery, so maybe they didn't do well in a class, so they can make it up through online education. Students with family needs who may miss significant time of school. So maybe a student is pregnant or just had a baby, or maybe they move around a lot, or their family moves around a lot. Sorry. So it's one way that students can still get a quality education. Students who want to experience online education prepare for college. As we know, universities and colleges offer online classes, so this is a good kind of foot in the door and to prepare for it. Students with extensive extracurricular responsibilities. So maybe they play sports or are part of music programs, different ways that might take them out of the classroom. They can still have a full experience. And students who might want to take courses that are not available at their local school. So maybe they want to take more AP classes or a different foreign language their school might not offer. So that's my basic parts about online schools. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.